What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Today, unboxing our October company for Year of the Beard, Weird Beard Company. So stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're unboxing our company for October, Year of the Beard 2022, and that is Weird Beard Co. So we're fixing to dive into this, see what all we have. This is a massive box. See what all we have to use for the month of October. If you're unfamiliar with Year of the Beard, only the beard products in this box are the beard products that go in my beard for the entire month of October. So let's jump in here and see what we got. There's no good way to open these boxes, and I mean, even a knife sometimes works a little bit, sometimes it don't. You just got to grab it and go. There we go. Ooh, peanuts. A lot of peanuts. All right, so we're just gonna found some bubble wrap. Found some bubble wrap and something leaked. Oh, it leaked good. All right, so we're gonna have to put that to the side. Make sure that gets put back in the refrigerator. All right, let's see what we got here. High voltage, so it looks like all our beard butters have melted. So we're gonna have to get these like put in the freezer or something to get these things back solidified. So let's see. So we have Up in Flames, a bar of soap. Check that out. That looks pretty cool. That label is pretty awesome. Rich wood, fresh pine smoke, and incense. Can't really smell it through the box. All right, so let's see what we have. Thank you from Weird Beard. Thank you for welcoming us into the bearded community and taking the time to review our products. We hope you love them. Can't wait to hear what you think. Stay weird, Nick and Holly. So there's that. Let's dig through these peanuts and see what else we can find. All right, so we got some oil. Up in Flames here. Ooh, check this bottle out. Check that out. This is beard oil with bergamot, lemon, lemongrass. What's the name of this one? Have a Nice Day. I like the caps, the kind of perforated caps there. This silver bottle. Ooh, that smells really good. All right, let's get a good whiff of this Up in Flames. Ooh, that's smoky. That is good. Beard oil with rich wood, fresh pine, smoke, and incense. That is a good smoky scent. All right, what else we got? Oh, I just lost it. I just lost it in the peanuts. All right, High Voltage. All right. So beard oil with robust coffee beans, bittersweet chocolate, burnt sugar, honey, and caramel. So I can go ahead and tell you this one's gonna smell good. I already know it. Oh, right. That is a coffee shop. That smells so good. All right. Now the melted butters are no fault of Weird Beard. It is still 100 degrees here where I live. So I take product when they come in the mail and I put them in the refrigerator for just a little while, especially if they've been in the mailbox, like I wasn't able to catch it when the day it came in. So this one I caught like right after it was dropped in my mailbox, so I didn't think I needed to put it in the refrigerator. So it's just been sitting at room temperature. So I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator and let them get solidified, and then we'll give real updates once we do through the month. So here's another bar of soap. This one is the Have a Nice Day. refill more bubble wrap. What is this? Try not to lose my peanuts everywhere. All right. All right, so Warrior, check that out. Pink bottle with the pink dropper. Sin and Spice, check that out with the red. Let's get in this. Let's see, so this one, mocha thyme, candy, ginger, nutmeg, and cinnamon sugar. Sin and Spice. It's subtle. It's subtle in the bottle. But for some reason, I'm thinking it's not gonna be subtle when I warm it up. But it is very subtle in the bottle. I love that red bottle. The oil is pretty clear. You see that, it's not red. But that's a subtle scent, and that's surprising. That with those scent profiles, those scents in there, I was thinking it was gonna be kind of loud, but. All right, so let's get into this one. Warrior. Okay. Beard oil with apple, cinnamon, orange, bourbon, butter, coconut, maple, and vanilla. That reminds me of something, but I don't know what. That smells really, really good. But it is Warrior. It's pink, and it does have the cancer ribbon on there. I am sweating. So we'll have to get on the website and check this out, see what it's all about. And that may be everything. I really don't want to dump these peanuts all over the ground. That is everything. So that is what we're going to be using for the month of October. We have 2 butters that have melted. One of them leaked a little bit. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oils and 2 bars of soap. So thank you so much, Weird Beard, for participating in Year of the Beard. We're going to jump into October and let you guys know what I think about Weird Beard. If you have never heard of them, drop it in the comments below. Let me know. I'll have a link in the description over to Weird Beard's website, so you can go check them out. And yeah, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.